Hi, I'm Chelsea Stillwell. I'm part of the digital performance team here at NCM Associates. I've spent the last 12 years as a digital operations trainer, working with dealerships across the United States and Canada to improve their internet sales, whether leads or inbound calls, along with digital marketing and service BDC performance. I partner closely with top performing dealers, many of whom are closing internet leads at a 15% or higher and inbound calls at a 25% or higher. So my focus is helping clients not just implement strategies, but actually see real ROI from them. I also serve as an instructor for NCMI courses in internet operations and digital marketing, which gives me the opportunity to work hands-on with leadership teams and help them build processes that stick. What really fuels my passion is helping simplify the digital space. When teams feel confident, have a clear process, and know how to execute consistently, that is when you start to see real, lasting results. At the end of the day, I love helping our clients turn strategy into something practical that drives long-term success. What originally drew me to DPS was the opportunity to work directly with dealerships and to be hands-on in improving their performance. What keeps me excited is seeing teams gain confidence and start getting real results. I really enjoy helping people build a process that works for them and turning that into something consistent and successful. One that really stands out to me was when I was working with Volvo last year. I was at one of their stores in Florida. After the training, one of the salespeople texted me and shared that their top salesperson had tried his usual aggressive approach with the customer and got brushed off. The customer was willing to talk to this other salesperson, and he used what we had just gone through in training to connect with them and ended up selling the car. What stuck with me is that it wasn't about scripts or pressure. It was adjusting the approach and actually meeting the customer where they were. Seeing that real-time shift and immediate result was really powerful. One thing clients might not realize is how much support they're getting behind the scenes at no additional cost. We're constantly available for our on-the-fly consulting through calls, texts, or emails. This means any topic at any time. We also build customized communication guides tailored specifically to their team and processes. On top of that, every client gets a 30-minute monthly digital performance review, which on its own is a $295 value, where we look at their performance and identify opportunities to improve. Really, it comes down to this. Whatever a team needs, we're going to build it with them and for them to help them succeed long term. If you're looking to level up your digital performance, it really comes down to two things. 100% of your opportunities come from your marketing, and 100% of the results come from your process. A lot of teams focus heavily on generating more leads, but where you really start to see improvement is in how consistently your team is handling those opportunities. When you have a clear, repeatable process that your team actually follows every day, that's when the results start to change. My favorite part is seeing the shift in a team. When things start to click, confidence goes up, conversations get better, and you can see people take more ownership in what they're doing. It's not just about the numbers. It's about watching a team go from inconsistent to really dialed in. Being part of that change and knowing that it's something that's going to stick long term is probably the most rewarding part for me.